Girl Talk is about struggle love. No clue how to unpack this? Me not have none either. So to help us do that, we have an article from spiritedbytruth.com, Janella. And it says, struggle love is a term that has surfaced in the past couple of years to describe a woman who constantly finds herself in relationships with men who do not have their affairs in order. So struggle love pays homage to the ride or die chick.
Look at my face.
Yeah. From a young age, women are put in positions of caregiver, and somehow it's hardly ever mentioned how a partner is supposed to care for them in return. So
Who comes up with this?
me no know, because if I struggle, me not think I love.
Me not think so either. And it would appear that the struggle of victim, should we call it a victim?
Yes, use the word victim.
They're pouring in all of themselves, and
Literally.
it's not. This is not healthy, okay? So if you're struggling in love, get out. It is not healthy, Delia.
Yeah.
It's not healthy.
Yeah, it says, in struggle love, a woman might find herself constantly lying about the status of her relationship because she might find it embarrassing that she's actually taking care of a man and child rearing a grown man while he's at home in another woman's DMs or playing video games all day. So, struggle love looks like your partner is unemployed, not actively seeking work, and you constantly have to help your partner financially.
Sounds like a bum to me. I don't know.
Yes, pretty much. Listen, but notice it says not actively seeking work. So being unemployed, I don't have a problem with that. But if you're unemployed and you're not seeking work, and that means... Yeah.
No, but Delia, you have the house husbands, you know.
No, right, but the house husband,
they actually contribute to the relationship.
Is contributing to the relationship. Yeah. So I don't have a problem with that either.
Right.
Because
Prince, would you be a house husband?
Prince?
Yeah. Would any of you be a house husband and let the lady take care of you? And she takes care of the bills, but you have to do the cooking, you have to do the washing.
Hey, listen, when Janella said she'd take care of the bills, some of the men in here were like, Then Janella said, you have to do the cooking. No. Them said, no. You have to do the washing. No. Marlon said, no. Jeremy, no answer, no. I feel like Jeremy would be a house husband.
Daily, I don't know how I feel about struggle love, though.
Your partner is not willing to commit to you fully because you need to act right.
But this is not a relationship.
So I'm gonna say this. Ladies, let me say this.
Yes?
Really find the person who feels that how you act is right. Now, I'm not saying you have some foul behavior that you probably need to change and you don't change it.
Right.
But every hoe have them stick a bush. You ever hear that, Janella?
Girl, it's my mind just went when you said every what? Mm-hmm.
As in, yeah.
Okay, cool.
So you know the hoe is a farming.
Yes.
Right, and at the top of it,
thank you for clarifying.
Me, I clarify who else I was. Because these young generation, man, I might say it and they don't get it.
Right.
So the hoe is a farming implement, and the top of it's the stick. So they're saying for every hoe, there's a stick for it in the bush.
Right.
So I find that we try to change ourselves too much. If there are things to be changed, yeah, but there are some people who will love you just the way you are.
Right. But then there's a difference between that and compromising, you know. But for me, it's how much of yourself are you willing to compromise?
Well, the man say you need to act right.
To act right, okay.
Yep. This one is a struggle love, guys.
Which one?
No love is in this at all.
Yes.
Your partner can be violent, emotionally and verbally abusive, but you tell yourself you are strong and you can handle it. You are strong, they are weak. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
I don't know.
Leave it alone.
Why do they call it? Why does it have love in there? That's not love. Which psychologist came up with this term?
Me don't think it's a psychologist.
Okay, go ahead, as you were.
Your partner's been found cheating on several occasions and still keeps in contact with other women, but you become over forgiving to keep him. Yep, struggle love. You're in an unreciprocated relationship and it is based on your partner benefiting from your actions. Jamaica have a term for it, but I can't use it for the morning.
No, don't use it.
Right. But ladies, we know what that means. Right? Struggle love leads women to attach their worth and validation to making their partner happy, and if they do not, they feel guilty or ashamed. Struggle love is your willingness to jeopardize all your hard work to support your partner's risky, illicit lifestyle. Ladies, I hope you're not listening this man now. You take out the last of your life savings because him come home and tell you, say, I have a scheme. And you say, but this is my life savings. And him say, you don't love me. This is, why aren't you investing in my dream? Dude, go find Freddy Cougar and I'm gonna invest in your dream. I tell you that. No, it often makes sense. Let me see a business plan.
That's correct.
Well, look like it's gonna make sense and this gonna go somewhere. But you can't just get up and say, oh, I have an idea. So me gonna... Struggle love is you seeking a project in another individual. A lot of women do this in hopes to fix them. And here the fix them problem. You feel like, I'm like, so why you feel like nobody else gonna fix them, but you can fix them? That's the thing, you know. Oh, he was like that with other women, but now he's found me. Are you Jesus? Are you Jesus? I'm good Jesus. I know people find Jesus and Jesus. Yeah, one finding, that don't make sense.
Okay.
Now that we have a basic understanding of struggle love, let's dive deeper. There's more.
Delia, stop.
It's the psychological word. It's called codependency.
Delia, make me stop now. It's pissing me off.
An individual disorder expressed in relationships.
But don't you think that a lot of women have, you know, they've come out of this? Because women are now a little more independent and...
So they must spend more money in struggle love.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
They must spend more money in struggle love. If struggle in front of the love, leave it.
It's not love.
It's not love.
Yeah, it's not love.
Leave it.
It's not love.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Leave it.
The end.
There is no trophy.
Yeah. You can't fix nobody.
No trophy.
Period.
No trophy.
Yeah.
You're not Jesus. There's no trophy. Leave it alone.
Make we leave this segment alone now.
I think so, because Daniel over there break from 2 minutes ago. All right. That's girl talk, guys. We'll do it again next Tuesday.